Here is fine, or you want to go somewhere else?
I wonder if we could go maybe closer to the kitchen even?
This is Manju's restaurant.
I may show you and make a puri for you, okay?
Great, yeah.
Udupi Cafe, located in Monroeville, has been serving food from southern India since 1996. But Manju's been cooking this kind of food since he was a teenager.
Yeah, I work in Mumbai. After that, I came to United States. I started in New York. I have the experience since almost all 25, 30 years. Yeah.
Udupi Cafe is also a family business.
Yeah, this is my family, my son, Anirudh, and she is my wife, Vasudha.
Did you meet in India or in America?
Yeah, I met in India.
Even.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost been 23 years. Yeah, and he's a great husband and a great chef.
Adam, from Very Local, came along too and asked a few questions in Hindi.
एकदम ओरिजिनल
Yeah,
हाँ
original खाना हम बेचते हैं
जी
क्योंकि यहाँ कोई बनाता नहीं है यार nobody is doing
किधर
this.
भी नहीं।
किधर भी बनाते नहीं है बनाएगा तो ये टेस्ट नहीं आता है हमारा ऑथेंटिक इसमें ज़्यादा है.
But this isn't just Manju's job. He loves this food.
This is my lunch dinner, you know.
And he loves sharing it with others.
We have a couple more things coming out. Yeah.
And he wants to make sure that you've tried everything.
से वाले ये दाल में अच्छा
A vegetable samosa and also this potato fritter and onion ring.
The most popular item is probably the dosa.
This is a flat top griddle.
Manju showed us how he makes them.
Udupi Cafe, if somebody is asking, you have the dosa? If I say that no, they are laughing, you know that. This is the coconut sauce, and this is a vegetable soup. They call sambar. Dip it in,
Yep.
and yeah.
On the weekends, you might notice license plates from all over the US parked in front of Udupi. That's because a lot of people stop by the restaurant after they visit the nearby Hindu temple.
This is the biggest Hindu temple in the United States, and the first Hindu temple in the United States. Wow. So many thousands of devotees here.
Wow.
So that's why I get a huge crowd on Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Manju wanted to make sure we tried some of their popular beverages too. The mango lassi and chai. And this video will end like many meals at Udupi end, packing up the rest of the food so you can enjoy some leftover dosa for lunch tomorrow.